Hello all, so just going to go over this question here. It is a slightly difficult one in terms of compound interest because it's not applying it to the normal scenario that you see money in, and you'll notice this formula is actually used for many different things. Okay, so this question here, it's proposed that a piece of limestone lying out in the weather has decreased by 4.5% per year. Okay, so this is a important bit of information. Firstly, it's decreasing, okay, and 4.5% per year, and this is for 15 years, okay. So this here actually tells us that our interest, normally it goes up, but this we're actually going to be going down, so we're going to be minusing interest, okay, and so this is going to be minus, and 4.5% is 0.045. Okay, so we're going to be minusing that there. So here, that's one bit of information. Then we've got the last 15 years. So n, that is our time in this equation. So this is going to be 15 years. Okay, and it's 4.5% per year for the last 15 years. They're both in the same time, so that's good. We don't need to do any conversion there. We also have our next bit of important information. Its current mass is 3.28 kilos. Okay, so that's what it is after the 15 years. So it finds its approximate mass 15 years ago. So that means that it's going to be a lot bigger than it was right now. So that bit of information there, the current mass, that's our amount that we have now. So that's our A value. Oh, sorry about that. That's an ugly A. That there is 3.28 kilograms. Okay? And then the last bit of important information, make sure that you're doing this round to 2 decimal places. Okay? Make sure you only do that at the end though, not in your calculations as you're going. So we're going to put this all into our formula. So A, this is 3.28. Okay, principal, that's what we're actually working out. Okay, our principal, that's the original amount if it's in like a bank or when you're working with money, and that's what we're looking at. We're looking at its original weight. So 1, and it's going to be minus 0.045. And this is all to the power of 15. Okay? So now it's just about breaking this down and doing the maths. So 3.28 is equal to P. 1 minus 0.045 is equal to 0.955, all to the power of 15. So now we just do 0.955 to the power of 15. So this here, and make sure you don't round now, make sure you keep this value in your calculator, and this should equal around 0.501. So it should be something like that, okay, with plenty of decimal places after it. So now we need to get P by itself, so we need to divide both sides by our 0.501, okay? And make sure you are dividing by all of this, okay? So if you are dividing by the whole answer you've got there, so P, this should come out hopefully as around 6.54 kilograms, okay? And this was the original amount that was there. So I hope this shows you how you can apply it to different contexts, not just money. And this formula is used for a lot of different purposes. Okay? So hopefully that all worked well, and good luck.